Really just ping storage down?
Yes.
Bridge.
No. We go here.
He's just really like, no. No.
Yet, rifle is fine.
Have I?
If a man in front of you die, you take a rifle and shoot enemy.
Pick up rifle and you shoot.
Da.
When the one with the rifle gets killed, you pick up the rifle
I
and
go
shoot.
boom. You go brah.
It goes
But
grrrr.
comrade, these are potatoes.
Comrade Boris, what do potatoes have to do with 762 by 54R, you wonder?
You fucking pig.
It does. Wow, you greedy bitch. Okay.
Gun
Have the
armor
rocket launcher, see if I
box.
can
Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Boom. Your
Boom.
grid coordinates.
Ham.
Huh?
Bada bop bop. Shit, that's what I wanted to do.
Oh, boys.
What?
No, Beans, get the fuck out of the helicopter.
God damn you! I had the same idea, you
now
fucking
do it.
cook.
We're doing a different strat. Comrade, get in chopper.
People in there.
What the fuck? Hold on, I get loot.
Oh, people on train.
Yep.
Get on fucking helicopter.
Get on a
Alright, let's
fucking.
go.
Tyler, get on the fucking chopper.
Get to the chopper!
Get to the chopper. We crash into a tower.
We're gonna chase the train. Get ready to light these fuckers up.
Bet.
Hit him. Downed.
Team fucking white, bitch!
I'll meet you on the other side.
See what
Dude,
this
those
side
poor
coming out.
people.
Alright, I'm gonna attempt to land this on the train.
No, it will explode. Don't. It will explode.
No, it won't.
What the fuck?
Stop
What?
the train!
What happened?
Stop
Huh?
the train!
What happened? I got in between the train and got downed.
I got you.
Thank you.
Stop the train!
Oh
Stop
shit.
the train!
Get in, comrade.
Have I?
Mine.
Where are you guys going?
The chopper, товарищ.
No, I'm gonna land. Okay, here, someone take the pilot seat.
Go!
'Cause I need to get some of that loot.
Yeah, I got
Is
you.
there any
I got
left?
you.
Is there any left?
Yeah, I got
there's
you.
none left.
Jump. Oh wait, who's?
There's none left.
Okay.
Oh,
Let's
we're gonna
go.
go chase that four-wheeler.
For Mother Russia.
Just one dude. It's just one fucking dude.
Down him. I downed him.
Let me finish
Alright,
him. I
let's
got
do
this. I
his
got
shit.
this.
He got set rest. He got set rest.
Oh, he was a fresh spawn. That sucks.
He had cell rest.
Fleeing people. This is bad.
Where's the new helicopter? We need a new helicopter.
Wanted right
Where?
Most wanted.
there. Chopper. Right there.
Oh yeah, let's go. Bailing out. Alright, since I don't have a gun, I will fly. You guys keep shooting shit. Oh fuck.
Are you okay? Are you mentally
Didn't let me pull
capable
my
right now?
chute.
Here for you.
Didn't let me pull the fucking chute, dude. Oh, this gun has no fucking ammo in it. Okay, that's fine. No, get the fuck. Okay.
I want
Get
to
the
turn
fuck out of
into
the pilot.
gold.
I have no.
Wait.
I have no weapon. I fly.
I steer. You guys go boom boom. There's a most wanted behind
Okay,
us.
we're gonna go. Yeah, we're going for the most wanted.
Remember when we chased a helicopter and they kamikazed us, Gazelle?
They did. I got a little close to them, and they decided, fuck you bitches, and drove their rotor into our rotor. Oh, please tell me he's outside of the building.
Yeah,
Yes.
he is. He's right there.
He's
Yes.
moving.
Wait.
I hit him?
Oh, he has friends. He has friends. He has friends.
One more. He's on me. He's on me. He's right there. Ping. Nice
Dead.
one.
Gone.
Comrades, I am down. We could buy a loadout.
No, I thought the scar was bad, but I've just killed 2 people. It's chill.
Armor box.
Yeah, yeah.
Someone grab that.
Someone had a kilo.
They had really shit gear.
Wait, I need the munitions
I mean,
box.
they had really shit gear.
Could've been worse. Alright, boys. Get back.
We just
Back to
hunting
bullying
people.
motherfuckers.
Yeah, this is what we're doing now.
Shouldn't we just buy a
Ping a
loadout
nearby... Yeah, let's find a buy station.
behind us?
I pinged one.
There's one
That's in the
right
gap.
there.
Okay, fine.
No. There.
Yeah,
inside
no, that's
the-
gonna be in the gas. You get a point. Get a point. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Where's your- Okay, we're gonna go to this one.
Okay, I'll buy a loadout. You'll buy other shit you'll need.
Yeah, if someone wants to drop me some money, that'd be great.
I don't have much.
I don't have much.
No, you buy the door.
We're all, we're all
Save it for
sitting
box,
at almost
bro.
10 grand. And then there's these up.
Save
Yeah,
it
I
for
was
the box,
fine.
bro.
I had all the vehicle assists, my guy. Someone should get a fucking,
I got a
RPG
UAV. I'm the
Okay, yeah,
sniper.
make sure we have at least 2 UAVs.
Uh,
oh, fuck.
Just
Oh,
get
fuck.
it. Just get it. And then run.
Get underneath something.
Oh,
I got my
hope the
loadout.
helicopter's okay. Oh, they fucked it up. It's way over there.
My building.
Okay. Ow, ow, ow. Never mind. Fuck.
Alright, we're
Okay.
good.
Everybody get your loadout.
Alright, I'm ready to fly. I'm ready.
Shit, right there.
You're right here. Getting attacked from the side too. They pushing up.
Ah, fucking broke windshield.
Oh,
No,
I
you got
don't have
Cypress.
to, I'm not
Exciting.
Thirsty.
They are serious.
I was going to, but I was waiting to see if anybody else was gonna survive.
Jesus Christ, they crushed us. And now our loadout's coming.
That was going so well, too.
Beans. I'm with you.
Oh shit, yeah, right, hold on.
Ah, fuck.
Sorry, I wasn't really paying attention.
Why do we have a loadout drop way out in the middle of bumfuck location?
Oh!
What the actual fuck?
Go for hospital if any of you make it.
Your team can still buy your release.
Oh, well, loadout. I'm going for the loadout. Fuck it.
Alright, well, I guess let's get a
The
view.
loadout's all the way over there. What the fuck are you doing, Skim?
Fuck. I don't give a fuck. I got a parachute and
Grab that
an
rover.
altitude of 10.4, whatever the fuck measurement it is. Yeah, grab. If you
You're
want to
at
grab a vehicle and start driving, I'll
1100.
meet you there.
I mean,
Got an
it's
altitude
well in
of
the
10.
circle,
Oh.
so...
Oh, I've got 10.3.
Oh, there's a helicopter? Bet.
Oh, yeah, grab that.
Oh, no, I'm shooting it with my handgun.
Oh.
Oh, that's not... Oh, that's not good at all.
Is he chasing me?
No.
Oh, there's. Oh,
I don't know
oh.
if that answer.
Either. Yeah, I'm Audi. I'm Audi 5000.
Is that helicopter chasing me or not?
No, it's not.
Okay, good. Dude, that loadout's like right on the edge of the circle.
Your own...
The loadout is on the edge of the map. That's like a good spot to sit.
Oh no, I love this with sniping in.
Big Dylan.
That was my plan once we got kitted up, but those cunts had to intervene.
Well, I mean, we gave it the old college try. Come on.
Okay, fucking letter Kenny.
Missile locking. What the fuck?
Flares, hit the flares.
Y'all could do, do the most wanted.
Oh wait, you're in a car.
I was just waiting to see him die and be like, "What was the flare bomb?"
I thought he was in a helicopter.
I mean, to be fair, the rover does have the little grenade launcher things on it, so I mean, those could be there could be flares in that. I mean, these could
Wait,
be
there's
flares,
grenade
right?
launchers on the wait, what?
On
These
the
things,
back.
These things,
No,
these
it's not a
things are
grenade
launchers.
launcher. It's a fucking trophy system.
No, it's like that thing like deploys gas or smoke or something.
Alright, I could do the most wanted or something. And drive around.
Yeah, if I had more than 5 sniper rounds, I'd be very happy and grabbing the most wanted and just chilling in the woods.
I have
by
9.
5
Eat my
bullets.
shit, faggot.
Well, only if you suck my dick, Daddy. What?
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 Because I
yeah,
hope
Beans,
you
both of-
know I'm recording.
Wait, I thought that was how I was getting all of my bush lattes.
Beans. Oh yeah, dude. This guy, Beans can actually record for us, so now we can actually do that. Beans, I don't think you realize both of these guys are U.S. military.
Oh!
And by U.S. military, I mean one's a natty boy and the other's
Arden.
a fucking arty boy. So at least
Both
Joe
retarded.
actually does something.
I
But
see.
they're
Both
both
retarded.
both just gaping, cum-filled asses at this point.
Oh,
That's.
yo, Gazelle, do you know the code for the bunker? You
Oh, do you
have
know
it?
it? Do you know it?
Yeah, I have it on my phone. I saved it on my phone.
I don't think this one.
Oh
Yeah, what's the
my
one for this one?
god.
This isn't the
Uh,
one that's near the other one though. This is a different one.
Oh yeah, wait, hold on. That's this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 6, 9, 6, 9, 6, 9, 6, 9. 7. No.
Wait, to be on the one on you're in is 972, I think.
Oh, hang on.
Okay.
9, 7, 2.
641
Okay.
38. Yep.
Oh
Alright.
my gosh.
Now just watch behind us because they said hostile dropping in.
I have literally every code saved on my phone.
I know you do. Yeah, this is the guy who I was talking about. Who's
Beans,
obsessed-
I
Yeah.
love you.
Wait, what?
Oh.
I don't know you, but I love you. Behind!
Holy
Oh.
shit!
God, are you?
Saw Sweet Fortress all over again, boys!
There's 2 of them. There's at least 2.
He down both of them.
Revive. Fucking dead. Literally, I said it. I was like, we're
Push,
helping
push.
with the
There's
backs.
one with them.
Yeah, there is.
They fell back.
Oh shit!
Why would you?
Oh no! Your
Dude,
ammo!
How
You
many
couldn't-
fucking times?
You could
How
have
many
gotten them
times?
all. You could have gotten them all.
If I didn't get shot in the ass by an RPG,